In this video I'll be showing you a program I made in Python, which is a Bitcoin price tracker. So here is the GitHub repository of it, and I recently released this program. And so yeah, let me tell you some about it in brief. I have made it in Python Tkinter and used beautiful soup to scrape the Bitcoin price data and display it on my program. So basically this is how the program looks. It's really normal for now, and I'm still upgrading it. It has many features which I have to add, and they will be added in the upcoming updates. So this is the GitHub repository to which you will find the link in the description or in the comments, and I will show you everything right from its installation process to its execution and how to use it. So basically this is the repository. You have to download it as zip, or you can also use its git clone command. So the zip file has been downloaded. So I have not made this program open source. I have only provided its setup files, and it's of 19 MB approximately, 18.9 MB. So let me now explain you the files. Go into the setup folder and let me extract it. Okay, here is this, and I will extract it here, and let me find the folder then. Okay, here is the folder. Now these are the files you will be seeing here, and in these files .getignore and readme.md both are of no use. Okay, so you have to go to setup, and here are the folders, here are the programs. And first of all, before this is the main program, but before that you will have to run the setup file. This is the setup file which will install all the dependencies and modules required by the program to run. So it might be possible that you have the setup modules installed, but if not, the program won't work. So after this message comes that setup complete, you can now exit the program. So you can close the program, refresh it once, and open bitcoin.exe. So here this console will open, but after some time, yeah, as you can see here, we can see that the program has opened. So this is showing the current Bitcoin price. Okay, this is the current Bitcoin price, and below is this status bar if you are able to see, and it says last updated. So it will tell you the time that when last this price was updated. Okay, so when like the current price is $57,527.87. so after, if the price changes, like the price goes above this, it will show it here instead of price unchanged, as you can see here in the repository, plus 52.24. so it will show that how much the price has changed, how much the price has upgraded, like how much it has went up. And if it goes down, then it will show it in the negative format, like minus and the amount of like the points it has gone down. So this was my program, guys, and I'm still working on it. Still many updates are left to make on it, and I will soon release them and make a video. I hope you must have liked the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video, comment how it was, join my Discord server, and yeah, see you in the next video.